Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hakim bin Farid Safendi. Today we are going to present about liquid cough syrup and nutraceutical formulation technology. Our lecturer is Madam Husna binti Zulkifli. Before that, let me introduce my group members. First, Ahmad Aidil bin Akmal, Nur Hafiza Basaira binti Abdul Rahim. My name is Muhammad Hakim bin Farid Safendi. The last one is Nur Fatiha binti Asrul Afendi. Okay, this is our table of content. First, introduction. Second is product overview and formulation. Next is production procedure. And last one is environment sustainability. Okay, for introduction. The phenomenon of coughing is indicator of respiratory complaint which ultimately indicate tenderness of the chest of thorax. Existing therapies currently available to manage cough are narrow due to lack of efficient and safe medication and also to exclude some common side effects. An alternative system of medicine such as Griot-Arabic, Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine (TCM). Several plants have been reported to manage respiratory systems such as a cough, dry or unproductive, and irritation or inflammation of airways passage expectoration. Okay, for overview, symptoms of a cough: a runny or stuffy nose, a feeling of liquid running down the back of your throat, frequent throat clearing and sore throat, hoarseness, wheezing and shortness of breath, heartburn or sore taste in your mouth, rarely clogging up blood. Function of cough syrup: to help stop coughing, treat the symptom of respiratory tract infection, help relieve symptoms such as cough and chest due to mucus accumulation, temporary relief of sneezing or runny nose due to the common cold, hay fever. How to use: take the liquid form by mouth with or without food. The dosage is based on age, medical condition and response to treatment. Do not increase dose or take this drug more often than directed. There are many brands and forms of this product available. Read the dosing instruction carefully for each product. Measure the dose carefully using a special measuring device or cup. Next.
Okay, for product overview and formulation, the formulation of coarse rose syrup is the active ingredient in this rose gold syrup is rose, honey, and ivy leaf. For the non-active ingredient is methylparaben, propylparaben, sucralose, extant gum, sorbitol, glycerin, and propylene glycol. So we go to the next slide. So here we know the ingredient used as such as methylparaben used as preservative and also for propylparaben and citric acid as a preservative also, potassium sorbate as a pharmaceutical preservative, extant gum for thickness agent, ivy leaf extract for supportive material, sorbitol as a sweetener, which is a diet sugar. The glycerin is used for sweetening agent. Propylene glycol is a excipient. Sucralose are used as artificial sweeteners. Honey flavor used as a flavoring agent or natural sweetener. And the main ingredient in this rose gold syrup is rose water. Next. For the formulation, we have four formulation, which is 100 hydrodistilled rose water. Second, 50% hydrodistilled rose water plus 50% distills. The third one is 100% marketed rose water. And the last one, 50% marketed rose water plus 50% distilled water.
Okay, next, production procedure. Next slide. Okay, so as you can see, in this slide, we have machine of equipment handling procedure, started with solid ingredient and liquid ingredient, and next dosing system, production tank, filtration, storage tank, and filling machine. So in pharmaceutical syrup are produced by mixing all the solid and liquid ingredient, and next the ingredients are added by means of metering or dosing system like flow meters and load cells to one or more reactors. The order and quantity of the ingredients to add is specified in the formulation. Usually, preparations are heated before finishing the addition of components. Solid products are added by means of solid liquid blenders or vacuum system. When the process is finished, the end product is filtered if required and sent to a storage tank. The product is transferred from the storage tank to the filling machine by pump. Next slide. Okay, safety procedure at workplace. We have four. First, wear protective equipment. PPE are tools that can be used to clean any chemicals of the eye, skin, or clothing to minimize long-term damage from coming in contact with unsafe material in case a hazardous event occurs. For example, employers wear gloves, masks, shoes cover, and others. Second, keep a clean workstation more efficiently and improve the quality of product being produced. Protect the health and well-being of employers by preventing injuries and worse. Next slide. Okay, third, chemical handling. The system also highlight how to properly store, label, and move chemicals to minimize the risk of a dangerous event such as a fire occurring. Since the product produced is a drug, we need to be careful, like label the drug so as not to be mistaken. Never assume a chemical waste is safe for disposal in the regular trash or via a sink or drain. Dispose the chemical by category and dispose in the right place. Okay, four, keep material safety data sheet. A material safety data sheet should always be present when working with chemicals. OSHA's hazard communication standard requires that chemical suppliers provide manufacturers with a safety data sheet. Next slide.
Okay, for the environment sustainability, the definition of environment sustainability is to involve the interaction with the earth responsible in order to preserve the natural resources while just paradise future generation ability to meet their requirement. So the purpose more like can define the method for manufacturing that minimize the waste and reduce the environment impact. Okay, for the sustainability of manufacturing process, they have five things that have been released. First, is manufacturing cost. For the manufacturing cost, there are some can happen like surplus and differentiation. Okay, for the problem like surplus, how we develop that problem? First, when happen some process, they have more or less. So the more or less too, we will take and we will storage and we will using in another time. So for the fine of the definitely. That happen like that, we will before the process we will calculate first, and after calculate we will buy that ingredient. So for that all result, our organization can control and preserve our financial and stability to produce the process expenses. Okay, next for power consuming, our the company have using the LED light. The LED light have neutralized 70% less power sources by control the user the machine. Uh, yeah, other than form of light, LED light. And another for power consumer, our machine have apply the cutting power when have a maximum using, so that we consume our power consume in potential electric is using. Okay, for the waste management, our company have doing a seminar, offer the seminar. They have three ds, which mean reuse, reduce and recycle. This for seminar to develop for all staff to know how to uh, settle the all the waste management issue. Next for the environment friendly line, we will utilize only the natural component and the few harmful chemical creation of our product, which mean all the waste that out from our from company, the waste or the chemical we will collect, and we will take transport into the place that can that can recycle the chemical into something that can good for the environment, which mean the process into the filterize that part. Okay, for operation and safety and personnel health, all worker, especially in production area, they have a safe form indirectly in any direct and indirect injured. It because it will establish the necessary infrastructure for social and economic sustainability, and he without the healing worker and safety working place, the environment and socialized will be exposed to dangers. Uh, okay, next for opportunities and disadvantages, they have a pros and cons of going green as estimate. Okay, can uh, can save a lot energy in long time run, but also they have a lot of money as energy is expected to become even more expensive in the future. And next, can conserve water in all aspects of your everyday life. But truly, the value of water will become clear in the future as water become a limit resource as a result of global warming, and sustainable product to ensure the long term success of the company. Okay, this is our reference, and thank you. Right, that's all for us.